I think that the sentences awarded to the defendants. I think it's appropriate at this level from my point of view. But I have to discuss with my colleagues in the Department of Justice to say whether we needed to appeal for the sentences.
警方國安處會唔會考慮就刑期作出所有嘅，即係就所有嘅被告刑？
係誇大咗嘅誇大其詞嘅。但係法庭咧喺佢嗰個嘅刑期入邊咧，亦都俾咗一啲比較有一個嘅少啦，我可以咁樣講法嘅就係咧係因應翻佢嘅要求，呢個係實屬咧係法庭咧係對佢咧係格外施恩並唔係等於咧佢冇曾經咧誇大咗佢嘅狀況。
以年老同埋健康為理由咯，而家判囚20年，好有可能就係好似佢。
黎智英會話喺嗰個獄中度過佢個餘生佢呢個講法咧，我相信咧呢個問題咧，我哋在座之中冇人能夠講得到嘅呢個係個天先知道。但係我想講一樣嘢，佢所獲得嘅刑期係佢十分應得嘅。案件嘅審理嘅過程咧，係充分咧係彰顯咗香港司法制度嘅嚴謹。你從156日嘅公開審訊啦，其中有52日係黎智英自己嘅自辯，2220樣嘅證物，超過8萬頁嘅文件，同埋17名證人嘅供詞。呢啲咁嘅詳盡嘅步驟咧，法庭都係用最嚴謹嘅刑事舉證嘅標準，同埋係一個絕對公開透明嘅程序去進行嘅。
無可否認係會有啦。咁想問下，如果長遠嚟睇，
好，唔該曬大家 ，thank you。
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.